Good morning students, welcome to our channel Math Study. Yesterday we have taken a brief introduction of trigonometry. Today we are going to begin our first exercise. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, as you can see here we have given a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle we have given two sides. Now obviously we know how to find the third side. Third side is nothing but the hypotenuse. So first of all we will say that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Then we will say by Pythagoras theorem. What is the theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Put the values. AC square is equal to AB, 24 square. What is BC? 7. 7 square. So simply if you calculate, it will be, what is the square of 24? AC square 24, 576 plus 49 gives you 625. It means your AC is 25. We got AC 25. So in this way, see, I am writing here 25. I encircle it because it is not a given value. We calculated that value. Okay. Now, what we have to do is, now we will go to the textbook. In the textbook, we have given that, we have to find sin A and cos A. Now, in the first, what we have to do is sin A. Now, we know the definition of sin. Sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. So our angle A, its opposite is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So we will say BC upon AC. So opposite BC is 7 and hypotenuse AC is 25. In this way we got sin A 7 by 25. Similarly, the second is we have to find cos A. Cos A. You must know the ratio. Cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cos A. Now this is angle A, this is hypotenuse. So this side AB must be an adjacent side. So we will say that adjacent AB upon again hypotenuse AC. So in this way, your AB is 24, your AC is 25. Okay. So in this way, so simple it is. In this way we got the solution. And the second one is sin C cos C. Now by referring this solution you can easily find sin C cos C. Okay. So here we complete question number 1. Okay. Okay students, here I have drawn a figure of question number 2. Okay. Here we have to find, see, in rough way I am writing here, tan P minus cot R. We have to find the value of tan P minus cot R. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to find tan P individually and then we will find cot R and then simply we will subtract them. Now, here also again we have to follow the same procedure. We have given a right angle triangle and again we will apply Pythagoras theorem and we will find this remaining side QR. Now, same procedure, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle. Okay. Then by Pythagoras theorem, apply the theorem. PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. Put the values. PR is 13, PQ is 12, QR unknown. Okay. Some simple things are there. 13 square 169, 12 square 144 plus QR square 144 will come to that side, it gets subtracted, then 25 will be there, QR square is equal to 25, therefore QR will be 5. So we are going to avoid those simple steps and it doesn't carry marks also. So now I will write down here QR square, or simply I will write down 5 units. I got QR 5 units. Okay. Now we'll move on to our main procedure. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P. Now you have to remember what is the meaning of tan. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. So first of all, now, okay, tan P. Tan P. P opposite QR adjacent PQ. Opposite QR adjacent PQ. Tan P in this way. What the values? We got the numerical values. 5. Okay. QR. It is 5 by 12. So easy. 5 by 12. What about QR? Cot R. Cot R. What is the cot ratio? Cot ratio is the inverse of tan. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Cot is adjacent upon opposite. Okay. But cot R. Cot R is adjacent. See, you have to listen. Cot R. Adjacent QR opposite PQ. Adjacent is QR opposite PQ. Here we have to find the subtraction of tan P minus cot R. That's why the ratios are same, because tan P is equal to cot R. I will discuss these ratios. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. These are the different ratios which we are going to discuss in upcoming lectures. Here you have to see that cot R is also same. Now as it is same, so is it is both the ratios are same. So simply, obviously, the answer will be nothing but it is 0. Here in this way we got the answer 0. This is the solution of your question number 2. Okay, write down that. Okay students, now we will see question number 3. In question number 3 we have given sin A. We have given the value sin A 3 by 4. No triangle is given, nothing is given, only the ratio of sine is given 3 by 4. Now first of all we will do one thing. We will draw a right angle triangle. See, in this way. A, B, C. This right angle triangle has a 90 degree at point at angle B. Okay. Therefore, as we know, what is sin A? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite BC, hypotenuse AC. So BC upon AC. So 3K upon 4K for some real number K. Now see, I am not going to explain you this procedure. We know. We will take some common multiple. We have did this type of thing while solving the questions of ratio proportion also. Do you remember this? That we will take some common multiple. It may be 1, 2, 3, any real number. Okay. So in this way, you got BC 3K, you got AC 4K. Now, as it is a right angle triangle, we will apply Pythagoras by Pythagoras theorem. Now I am explaining you a question. This is the given also, but right now you don't know what you have to find. Okay. So first of all, I will find all the three sides. The things which we have to find are cos A and tan A. We have to find cos A and tan A. Okay. Okay. I will tell you afterwards. Pythagoras theorem. It is AC square is equal to AB BC is equals to AB square plus BC square. Simply put the values. AC square, you got 4K square. AB square, let it as it is, AB square. BC square, 3K square. In this way. Now solve it. Yeah, 4K square means 16K square. AB square as it is. Okay, 3K square means 9K square. Now this 16K square will be as it is, 9K square will come to this side and it will be 16k square minus 9k square is equals to AB square. Okay. Now AB square will be 16 minus 9 is 7k square. So your AB is root 7k. Your AB is root 7k. Therefore, simplifying, what we have to find? We have to find sin A. Therefore, sin A. Sin A is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin A. Cos A. We have to find cos A. Cos A is adjacent AB upon hypotenuse AC. So, AB by AC. Your AB is root 7k. Your AC is 4k. K get cancelled. Root 7 by 4. Okay. Now we'll find what is this next one? Tan A. Okay. Tan A. Tan A. What is tan A? This is A. Your opposite upon adjacent BC by AB. BC by AB. Your BC is 3k. Your AB is, here we found AB, root 7k. Again KK get cancelled. 3 by root 7. Okay. In this way, we have completed question number 3. You can copy down the question. Okay. This is question number 4. Now here in this question, I have written both the things, the given and what we have to find. Now see, 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 cot A is equal to 8. We'll take it again. 15 cot A is equal to 8. It means cot A is equals to 8 by 15. Now, here to solve the question further, we need some identities, some formulae. Okay, now to solve it, we know one formula. Cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. This is the formula. So, cosec square A is 1 plus 8 by 15 square. Now, 1 plus 64 upon 225. Now, it is very surprising to me, but many of the 10th standard students, they don't know how to solve this type of structure. One is number and another one is a fraction. You must know this type of basic things. Okay. 225 into 1, 225 plus 64 is 289. If you don't know, let me solve it here. Many times, lakhs and crores of time I have solved this type of question. I am very angry on this topic. You must know how to solve it. 1 plus 64 upon 225. I always told you to take a denominator here. Just cross multiply them. 225 into 1, 225. 1 into 64, 64. 1 into 225, 225. 225 into 64 gives you 289. And here you got 225. So ultimately cosec square A is equals to 289 upon 225. 289 upon 225. Now this is the value of cosec square A. Now if you take the square root, simply you are going to get cosec A will be 289 square root 17, 225 square root 15. In this way you got cosec. But what we have to do? We have to find sine. Now you must know one relation, that sine is nothing but 1 by cosec. 1 by 17 by 15. 17 by 15 turn out and it will be inverse 15 by 17. Okay, in this way you got sine A. Other one is sec A. Now sec A, is there any relation between sine and sec? No. but there is a relation between cos and sec. See, you have to go in this way. You have to find sin A. The available resources are, you have cosec A and sin A with you. You have to find sec A. These two don't have any relation directly with sec A, but indirectly cos is having relation with sec A, and cos is having relation with sin A also. So by using sin A, first of all we will find cos A. How? Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus 15 by 17 square. Again the same thing, 1 minus 2 to 5 upon 17, it's square, sorry, it's 289. Directly I am going to write down 289 ones are 289. 289 minus 2 to 5 gives you 64 upon 289. So cos A is, taking square root, 8 by 17. Again you have to find sec A. The formula for sec A is 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A. So 1 by cos A, 1 by 8 by 17 gives you, it will be a turnout 17 by 8. In this way you got sec A is equals to 17 by 8. So in this way we have taken the easy questions of trigonometry. In the upcoming lecture we are going to take some lengthy questions, some bigger questions, and slightly difficult questions of trigonometry. I hope you all guys have understood these questions. Again, some students said that they want the solutions on linear equations. Now if you go to our channel, I have uploaded more than 5 to 6 lectures of linear equations in 2 variables. You can go and check out that playlist. And many students have not subscribed our channel yet. I request them to subscribe so that whenever I upload the channel, you are going to get the notification. Okay, so in this way we are going to stop today. Okay, tomorrow we will take some more questions. Now we will stop. Okay, thank you.